सरकारान गोंया भायलें नुस्तें गोंयांत हाडून विकपा खातीर अन्न आनी वखदां प्रशासन खात्यान कांय अटी घातल्यात. ह्याच विशयाचेर सोमाराक काँग्रेसीचो अखिल भारतीय काँग्रेसीच्या नुस्तेकार सेलाचो अध्यक्ष सभापतीन कर्नाटकाच्या नुस्तेकारांक त्रास जाता हें सांगपा खातीर पणजेन काँग्रेस हावजान पत्रकार परिशद घेतली. कर्नाटकाच्या नुस्तेकारांचो पंगड सोमारा नुस्तेमारी खात्याचो मंत्री विनोद पालयेकराक मेळ्ळे. काँग्रेसीचो नुस्तेकार सेलाचो अध्यक्ष सभापती म्हणटा गोंय सरकारांतले मंत्री सांगतात गोंयांत नुस्तें हाडटात तांचे कडेन अन्न आनी वखदां प्रशासन खात्याचे कायदेशीर कागदां आसात, तांकांच गोंयांत नुस्तें व्हरपाक मेळटलें. मात गोंयच्या शिमेचेर आशिल्ले अधिकारी नुस्तें घेवन गोंयांत व्हरपाचेर बंदी आसा अशें सांगतात.
We met him along with the delegation of North Canara, DK district and Udupi district fishermen, and we had a detailed discussion along with him, and he told that we have not banned this thing, we have not banned fish importing from Karnataka, but we have given some guidelines that should be obeyed. But that is totally a different statement by the fisheries minister. But the officials in the border, they are not seeing the guidelines or something else, but they are totally stopping the fish whichever is going to the Goa. But the problem is here in the border, the officials don't know the guidelines. They were totally sending back. They are not asking FDA this thing is there or that thing. They are not asking that. If it is a fish, then go back.
कर्नाटक आनी गोंय कांय अंतराचेरच आसा आनी कर्नाटकांतल्यान नुस्तें गोंयांत व्हरपा खातीर रसायन लावपाची गरज ना अशें सभापती म्हणटा. तशेंच कर्नाटका खातीर गोंय सरकारान कांय अन्न आनी वखदां प्रशासन खात्याचे अटी कमी करचे अशी मागणी सभापती करता.
The distance between Karwar and Mangalore and Goa, it is very short distance. It's not a long distance. The distance between Kerala and Tamil Nadu, these people, they wanted to sell the fish everywhere. So they started in the mixing with the other chemicals and all. So there is no need of mixing of chemicals for the Mangaloreans or our Karnataka fishermen. It will come very fast. So we will put the ice and we will send it through a lorry and we are send it. You go. We are requesting you to go and test the Karnataka fish. Let me see.
Anytime.
We are ready to accept this. You take severe action against this, and even the fisheries minister of Karnataka state also assured that if anything is happening like that, we will take severe action against the fishermen who supplied it. Yes.
One of the guidelines that you have to bring it in insulated vehicles.
You
Why
see,
don't you bring it in?
insulated vehicle for every people, we can't afford for the insulated vehicle. That is the problem for us. Some of the छोटा व्यापारी हैं वो लोग इधर बेच सकते हैं, वो स्मॉल लॉरी में स्मॉल टेम्पो में आइस डाल के बेच सकते हैं. Insulated means it is very very costly and it should not be implemented. And it is a very short period distance. It is a very short distance. We represented our representation to the Ministry of Health. On behalf of Health Minister, we have given a representation to the Fisheries Minister because today Health Minister was not available today. So we gave a representation to him, requesting him to lift the ban, total ban. To give the guideline, but not total ban on the fish importing from Karnataka. That is our request. So we had a nearly 1 hour discussion along with the fishery minister and officials also. Some of the fishermen people from Goa also, they have participated in the meeting, and there is they will, I think within a day or two, they will take a decision. They have agreed to take the decision. Some changes in the guideline also. It was totally their guideline was totally like a ban only, so that we requested them to change some of the points. So they have agreed, and basically they have agreed. They will. They assured us that it will be taken into consideration. No, we are ready to follow the guidelines. We are not telling that we are not following the law. But please don't put the ban. We are requesting you not to put the ban, total ban.
इतली वर्सां आमी गोंयांत नुस्त्याचो धंदो करतात, मात रसायन केन्नाच नुस्तेकाक लावंक ना. पयसच्यान नुस्तें घेवन येतात तांणी हो घोळ घातला अशें सभापती उलयलो.
Hundreds of years, there is a history behind our fishing business. Hundreds of years business was going on. It is not recently. See, recently the problem started with the Tamil Nadu from long distance people who are sending it. They did it, not we. The short distance distance places, we don't want to mix it with the chemical and send it here.